In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to do a lateral raise with a 90-degree bend in your elbow. So first things first, the lateral raise is a fantastic exercise for the deltoid, so the shoulder, and also it works the trapezius muscle as well. When we come into a normal lateral raise, which looks like this, often for a lot of people it can put a lot of strain on the shoulder, and those with previous shoulder injuries sometimes have clicks, pops, aggravation and pain during a normal lateral raise. So this variation of a lateral raise can take a lot of that pressure away. However, it's a great exercise in its own right for those that don't have any shoulder injuries at all. So first things first, we're going to bend the elbows to 90 degrees. This puts a lot of tension on the forearms and it takes some tension immediately off the deltoid when we come up into the movement. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the elbows in a position where they're coming up directly to the ceiling, and they're going to stop in a position where the elbows are slightly above the shoulders. Let me show you what that looks like. So I'm coming up with the elbows and they're stopping in a position where they are slightly above the shoulders. Now, that's the part that people generally get right when learning this exercise. The part that people get wrong is that they often will bring the dumbbells into a narrow position or a wide position, too low, too high. So how we learn the second part is if you've got that first part, you're bringing the elbow up, your torso's in line, your chest's up, you're looking forward and keeping the neck still. How I know that's in the right position is not only do I have the shoulder and elbow pretty much in line, I also have the elbow and the wrist in line. And I've got a 90-degree angle here, and at this point, I've still got that 90-degree angle at my elbow. So that would be how you would know that you're right, not only with the raise up, but also with the position of your hand in relation to your elbow. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a 90-degree lateral raise.